So we were supposed to do a pizza mukbang, but we already ate all the pizza. Look at it, it's half gone. And look at all that grease that's in our system. At this point,
I mean, that's not
maybe
realistic, babe. But
so I'm just really gonna take it like feel great.
But anyway, so we're doing a mukbang on just being yourself, man. At the end of the day, you feel me? Because I just feel like for me, it's a you know, that's big for people. I just feel like that's what we should talk about because a lot of people ain't being themselves. Like you look at social media nowadays, you feel me?
They're selling out.
Right,
They buying likes, they selling this
you looking at
fake to
right.
them.
You looking at this person like, why ain't got that? Why he got more than me? And I ain't even like that though. You feel me? Like, cause like she said, like baby said, at the end of it, they bought them followers. Not saying everybody did, but more than likely, most of the people you looking at that own, they bought followers. Come on now, if you really think about it, if a person not really like that big, like a Chris Brown, a Childish, a Rihanna, they bought them followers. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You feel me? They did. So it's like you looking at them like, oh, why am I not up there? You could be up there. You feel me? You just gotta have that persona. You feel me? But huh?
That find out like this.
Yeah.
Let's go take a bite.
Oh.
Just a piece. No, take a bite. Take a bite on mine.
Oh damn! I didn't know what you were doing.
Ready?
Why not take a bite of yours and not
This
mine?
was the camera. Ready? Look at this.
What?
A little bite. Maybe. Just look at the movie. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You know like that movie with the spaghetti, how they're eating the spaghetti?
Oh yeah, Lady and the Tramp.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm not a tramp, but that's my favorite movie. Well, one of my favorite movies.
Is it like Goofy?
Hell yeah, Goof Troop. Mm-hmm.
I like Goofy.
You can say that. But yeah, man, so like I was saying, more story, man, just be yourself, man, for real. You get more out of being yourself. You feel me? Because at the end of the day, you ain't gonna have nobody telling you that you're not being yourself or you're fake. But I mean, if you fake, then you fake. And that's just you. But if you're not, then yeah, just be yourself. You feel me? At the end of the day.
At the end of the day, you gotta be yourself. Because yourself is what matters most.
Because what the fuck is, let's just say 1,000, 2,000 likes to your soul? Like really? Like, answer that for me. You feel me? I mean, if you really just care about 2,000 likes and don't care about your soul, then yeah, don't be yourself. I mean, you really don't deserve to be yourself, honestly. Because your soul is worth more than that. Your soul shouldn't have no price on there. Honestly. Your soul shouldn't be up
For sale.
for sale. Right. So if you're selling
Like
yourself
your house? Like
right. If you're selling yourself for likes, for people to like you,
that's sad.
that's not
That's
good.
embarrassing.
Right. Because at the end of the day, people, it's genuine when people just like you for you. Like,
That's the type of love I want.
Exactly.
I don't want no fake shit.
Exactly. See, baby right here. I love her because I love her for her.
I love him for him.
I don't love her because, God damn.
What?
No, I start getting very But nah, yeah, like real shit. I don't love her, you know, just cause, you know, what she possessed or anything like that. I love her because of her personality. I love her because, you know, how she carry herself. Like, I love her because her brain, her intellect, her integrity. She got shit that she stand on. Feel me?
Stand for it.
Right. Not like, I wouldn't say people
Females.
I'm talking about baby right now, so right, a lot of females in this. It's city girls. Point blank, period. You hear me? You feel me? And that's what they love. That's what they like. So they out here chasing after what every next girl is chasing. And that right there, no self-dignity.
It's out.
Right, there's no self-dignity at all. So, be yourself.
Period, poo.
Right. I mean, no city girls, but no city boys. See, look, and me, I mean, if I wanted to follow the trend on me, I could be a city boy. But guess what? I love my baby. You feel me? And ain't nothing gonna make me be a city boy unless... Well, she ain't going nowhere. Ashley ain't going nowhere.
Action Trey.
Action Trey. You already know. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all of the things.
All the pizza things.
You know.
I wish I had some ranch so I could just dip it.
Or something.
Dip it in some ranch.
Man. But
that's too much shit, baby. So what's the title of this video?
Title of this video will be yourself while eating pizza.
Be yourself while eating pizza.
Nah. But real shit, this title should be yourself and remain humble at all times.
Because life will humble you.
Yep, that's
whether you want it to or not.
Action Trey. Keep it real all day. Be yourself and remain humble.
Fuck the haters.
All day. 02 93 05 95.
Basically.
A&T.
Neighbor.
Action Trey.
Neighbor.
I feel my nigga Nipsey, man. He'll tell you, hey, if you really a Nipsey fan, then you'll know for yourself. That's just it.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers to the garlic pizza.
The garlic pizza.
With the pineapple and the
Pineapple.
bacon. And the pepperoni.
Shout out to Domino's for the sponsorship. Just kidding. Free pizzas on deck.
We need that.
Bye, baby.